Hi, I'm Mel with Little Giant Ladders, here to show you one of our newest ladders called Velocity. Starts off just a little over 4 foot 7 inches tall, but if you need a 5 foot, 6 foot, or a 7 foot high step ladder, it's as simple as rotating it straight open like this. Now, if you want to work on ground that's not level, whether that's ramps, sloping ground, or staircases, you literally can take this ladder right up the stairs with you as you go. Now, the one I use the most around my home, when you want to get close to a window or wall, normal ladders, the higher you go up, the further from the wall or window you get. But watch this. We're going to drop this down to a 90-degree angle. Get right next to that tight corner. It's much easier to work in those tight spots. Now, when you need to get up a little bit higher, just rotate this straight open. And now you have what's equivalent to a 17-foot lean-to extension ladder. Now that's 15 feet tip to tip, but you can reach 17 when you're working on it. It has the wide flares at the top and at the bottom. Plus, we use rubber feet instead of plastic. Remember, rubber grips, plastic slips. Bring it back down. You're going to store this, again, just a little over 4 feet 7 inches tall. But one of the great things about the Velocity, you'll notice at the bottom, it has wheels. So you'll never have to carry a ladder again. Just wheel it from place to place. That right there is the easiest you'll ever carry a 17-foot ladder inside of a house without knocking paint off the walls. We do make the Velocity in a 13-foot, which is 3 foot 7, the Model 17, which is a 4 foot 7, and 1 foot taller, the Model 22. Velocity, great ladder, great addition to your home, and all the tools that you use around it.